Sunday the 5th, 2011 at 17:58 p.m. UK time. Small recording of Windows 8. This is a video that has been done by Microsoft to give us a sneak preview of what Windows 8 is going to look like. And apparently, when you watch a small video that's provided by Microsoft, you will see that when Windows 8 starts up, you will see something exactly what you see on the screen on your computer. The capabilities and hardware and stuff like that, I'm not too sure because obviously it's not released yet. And the beta version has not been put out. I don't think they're ready for that just yet. But Microsoft have released a small video themselves. Windows 8 today. So let me see what I can do here. See if I can get the video to play. Okay, small preview of Windows 8. What we'll do first, we'll customize the screen on the program ManyCam. And we'll go to, let's see if I can work this now. Customize. I'm going to lower that. Okay, it's disappeared down here. One of them is 30 tenths monitor and the other is a 24. So I've got to drag this across the screen. Where are you? Okay. This should give us a sneak preview of Windows 8. The man that made computers didn't make it easy. And I'm just going to keep an eye on the video here, and I hope you can hear this, friends, because I was watching it myself. And okay, building Windows 8. So this is a video done by Microsoft.
Hi everyone, my name is Jensen Harris, and I'm Director of Program Management for the Windows User Experience team. This is the first video in a series of videos we're going to be posting on our blog in the coming months that showcase cool stuff we've been working on for codenaming Windows 8. We're here in our design room, which is one of the rooms where we have a lot of interesting discussions about the UI. If you look over here, you can see some of the stuff we have posted up on the wall to inspire us. Sometimes we put designs we're working on the wall. Now, we've been pretty quiet. There's a good reason for that. As you can imagine, the team has had many ideas. Many of them were good, not all of them were. So we wanted to wait and really try to figure out what was going to make its way into the product. The first thing that you're going to see when you start Windows 8 PC is the start screen. The start screen is this personal mosaic of tiles. Every app on your system is represented by a tile. Now, tiles are better than icons for a couple of reasons. They have a little more space for the app to show its personality. Like the weather app can just show you the temperature without you having to open it. We introduced a new platform based on standard web technologies, so HTML5 and JavaScript, and it allows millions of developers who know how to use those technologies to create a new kind of app for Windows 8. These apps are full screen. Beautiful. They are designed for touch. But of course, work great with mouse and keyboard between your running apps. You just take your thumb or your finger from the side, just swipe it in. As I do that, I run back through my list of running applications. One of the great things about a PC is that you can do two things at once. We created a feature called Snap. I swipe in my thumb from the side of the screen, but now instead of moving away into the center, I'm going to pause for a second. You can snap it into place over here next to your main app. I can choose to change which app is big and which one is small. So with just one simple gesture, you can snap one app next to another app. A huge part of what you do on a PC today is web browsing. Internet Explorer 10 has a touch-first UI for scanning the page very fluidly with the finger, for switching tabs. Here you can see the touch keyboard. One of the things that we realized, though, when we were using it, was that typing requires you to reach all the way into the middle of the screen. And so we designed this thumbs layout, which is sort of more ergonomic, and it feels really natural to use. Windows 8 also runs the existing Windows apps that you use and that you love. They're just as easy to switch to, and you can use them alongside your new Windows 8 apps. Because it's a PC, it has a file system. And that file system has your photos, and has your documents, and has your videos, has your music. And you can get to these things not just from your existing Windows programs, but from these new Windows 8 apps. They can get to just as seamlessly as you've always expected in Windows. You can also get to files, photos that you have on other connected Windows PCs on your local network. And we know that you don't just have your stuff on the local PC, you also have services that you care about. From Windows 8 apps, you can also pick files not just from the file system, but also from any other app installed on the system. We made it easy to get photos from one app to another app. This is the new version of Windows. It's going to run on laptops, it's going to run on desktops, it's going to run on PCs with mouse and keyboard, it's going to run on touch slates, it's going to run on everything. Hundreds of millions of Windows PCs powered by this new interface and new platform. This has just been a small taste of what we're going to be showing over the next year, and we are so happy to finally be able to share it with you.
So that's a video to do. It's one that I found that they've done for Windows 8. Let's go back a couple of links because there was another one that I seen too. Let's see, Microsoft. Okay, news for Microsoft Windows 8. Microsoft Windows 8 introduction. Microsoft Windows 8 could challenge Google, Android and tablets. Okay. Okay, well, the information that I am getting reference Windows 8, it says here, after the success of Windows 7, Microsoft is planning to release its next operating system in 2012. Although according to Microsoft, the name Windows 8 is not yet confirmed, but it is expected to be Windows 8 as it's coming next to Windows 7. And Microsoft head Steve Ballmer called in Windows 8 in his speech he recently delivered in Japan. Okay, so there is a bit of news about Windows 8. Okay, let's see, Microsoft, I'll go back one. Okay, spot it there. Okay, Microsoft Windows 8. You know, we'll find the videos on YouTube to do with Windows 8. Somebody has already pre-released them, you know. So that's Linux. That'll be another operating system we'll have to save up for. Okay, June the 1st, 2011. The first launching of apps from a title space screen was which was we actually seen on the video. No titles, notifications showing always update information from your apps. Web Connect and Web Powered apps built in using. Now the HTML5 is basically replacing what they call the Flash. That's been out quite a while. The fully touch optimized browser with all the powers of hardware accelerated Internet Explorer 10. So obviously the Internet Explorer. Now we know that Internet Explorer 9 is out, so obviously it's going to have Internet Explorer 10 on it. It's a fully touched optimized browser with all the power of hardware accelerated on Internet Explorer 10. Internet Explorer is not one of my favorite browsers. I don't use it point blank because I don't believe the security is there. That's my own opinion. Okay, so if you go to this here, www.microsoft.com. Okay. You will see a read up about it.